Hi, I'm Aditya Ramesh working at Paywize.
What problem does Paywize Sandbox solve for developers?
Integrating a payment fintech API is not a weekend project. You're dealing with webhook validations, dealing with AML gateways, and you're dealing with rate limiting APIs, and most importantly, you're dealing with JWT validation. Alright, one mistake and then it's real money, it's gone. So Paywize Sandbox provides that holy space for the developers where they can break things, fix things, and everything you need to do before you go live.
What is Paywize Sandbox?
It's a purely isolated production parity environment, which is more similar to our production environment. So any product of Paywize that you want to test, let it be payout or collection, you got all your APIs over there. So developers can come here, test everything, and then you need not call anyone at Paywize, or you did not wait for anyone to approve your account also. It is available 24/7 for you to do.
What scenarios can developers test in the sandbox?
Every scenario that is there in the production. We closely have 40 to 45 scenarios of each API that you're going to be dealing with. Everything is there for the developers to test at our sandbox environment.
Why is testing failure cases important?
As a developer, for me, that is the most important part. If I don't test a failure scenario, then my money is gone. So any merchant that goes live without testing failure scenarios faces a roadblock within the first week of making transactions. So if you don't test failure scenarios, you're just feeling good about yourself, but you're not making actual coding.
How easy is it to integrate the Paywize APIs?
That's the most interesting part. Our target is 30 minutes. You just sign up, you get your credentials, you see your API keys, and you can do your first transaction within 30 minutes.
How does Paywize Sandbox improve developer experience?
Again, Sandbox is a holy space for developers, okay? You have the Sandbox available 24/7, okay? And you can test everything. Let it be idempotency conflicts, rate limiting, webhook validation, retries, anything, you have it there. And the most important part is you can go live and then you can come back and test these APIs again in case you want to do another product with us.
Those are some amazing and interesting facts. The last question for you, Aditya.
Most exciting part about Paywize Sandbox?
Well, for me, it is the range of opportunities I get, range of mistakes that I can do. Because as a developer, as a budging developer, you never know where you might go wrong. Sandbox helps you right over there. We are there for you. You don't have to worry whether your real money is gone. And whether moving from Sandbox to production is difficult, not at all. It is all covered here. All you need to change is a base URL. And let me tell you one more interesting thing. Your data in Sandbox is not gone. You can go live and still come back and see your testing cases in your Sandbox. That way, it helps us to get better ways to production in a very lesser time.